Hello everyone, welcome to Sau San Tong's live today. I am your MC Sasa, and right here we have our good old friend Andrew. Hi Andrew.
Hi everyone, I'm Andrew. Today I invite one of our best supplier.
Yes.
And she's also my friend. Let's welcome Anna.
Hello everyone, it's very glad to be here.
Anna actually not only a charming and very elegant lady.
Very charming.
Yes, she's also a big boss. Yeah, she's managing a very large company. Actually, it's a beauty group in supplying beauty equipment and skincare products in Hong Kong and China. Anna, would you introduce your company to us?
Sure. Our group is named Asia Pacific Beauty Group. Was founded in 1998. We are the first beauty equipment supplier to obtain ISO 9001 in Hong Kong.
Oh yes, I see many pictures of your annual dinner.
Yeah, this is the last year. And then we are focused on exploring the new beauty brand, high-tech equipment, and various products to fulfill the unlimited requirement of our clients, and then we have cooperation with Sau San Tong from the very beginning of funding. So far, we have 20 years cooperation.
Yeah, very
already.
long time ago.
20,
Yes,
wow,
this
that's
long-term partnership.
very impressive.
Yes, it's good to have such a great partner.
Yes, indeed, and I assume that Anna would be very expert and very experienced in terms of these very advanced technologies, and I believe she's the best spokesperson in terms
for
of this.
sure.
Definitely. And I can see that looking at Anna up this close, she is spotless. And I can say flawless. Yes, indeed. Like spots and wrinkles does not seem to be on her face. Oh, I want that too, Andrew.
Yeah.
Fans, and since I'm in the beauty industry, that's why I also have a high requirement for myself.
I see. That speaking from the boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also, I also want to have, very good skin condition like Anna. But what can actually help me to start from breaking out and having these kind of acne spots, which I guess most of the girls concerned about that?
Yeah. Actually, I think it's not only for the ladies, but also for men.
You too?
Yes, for sure. As you know, young men like me always
Young
have
man.
problems. Yeah, acne. And even the acne recover, you will leave some scar or mask on the face.
I see.
I experienced this problem many times recently.
In fact, talking about the problems, we can only use one technology that I would like to introduce today, which is called Pico.
Okay, yeah.
Wow. So it's not only a dream that you can actually have flawless and spotless skin then.
Yeah, exactly.
And I've heard that this technology for a while, and I know it's a laser treatment, but what is the difference between traditional laser treatment and actually Pico laser then?
Yes, to know the difference between them, you should know how the spots come and what are the causes of dark spots.
I know that dark spots occurs when the area of the skin produces more melanin than usual. So then, you get
The dark pigment, yeah.
Yeah, the dark pigment. So, but melanin does not only applies to give color to your eyes, your skin, your hair, but it also brings, dark pigmented spots. But the most common factor to having these spots coming or having more melanin is that mainly from sun damage, hormonal changes, and other facts, which most of them applies to women. Which I guess you're fine. You're fine for that. Yes, and also inflammation of skin, which will cause dark spots, and that also include acne, injuries to the skin, and also eczema and psoriasis. So did I miss some factors then?
Actually, you have covered most of the common factors that we have met in our life. But sometimes maybe medication side effects, wound healing, irritation, and personal illness will also cause a dark spot. It's so that the cause of spot are unavoidable, but we can remove them by using laser technology. The frequency of laser treatment is best absorbed by the dark pigment spot in the skin. The surrounding light skin, which is not pigment, do not pick up that light very well. So the dark pigment cell absorb virtually all the light energy and simply peel off after a few days. So back to Sasa's question. Now we can ask Anna, what's the difference between the traditional laser and Pico laser?
Okay. The main difference between the Pico laser and the traditional laser is its speed. Pico laser is measured in the picoseconds, and the traditional laser is measured in the nanoseconds. When it comes to the laser, the lower the pulse duration, the faster the laser. And Pico laser, shorter pulse means it can deliver more laser to the target area and for the optimum efficiencies. Thus, Pico laser result in a faster removal with less pain and also faster healing, and recovery time is more faster than the traditional laser. It is more safety and it minimizes skin damage, and moreover, Pico laser is suitable for all types of the skin because of its accuracy.
Yes, I know
wow.
it's 1,000 times faster than the nano one.
Oh,
The Pico is
wow.
1,000 times faster.
Wow, so it sounds very powerful and so effective to hear already. But how does it actually work on like acne scars then?
Okay, Pico treatment for the acne scars is a focus light on the top layer of your skins to break up your skin tissues, and at the same time, the Pico laser encourage the new and healthy skin to grow and to replace the scar tissues, and all of the condition is to make your scars look less raised and then become more smoothness, and it also promoting of your healing and also to promote the new skin.
New skin. Oh wow, it sounds good already for someone who have acne. I'm not looking at anyone right now. And I know that Sau San Tong has two different brands of Pico laser machines, and of course one of them is coming from your company,
Piccolo, yes.
The Piccolo. So would you like to tell us more about your Piccolo machine?
Oh yeah, sure. Piccolo is an FDA cleared picosecond
Yeah,
laser.
we can see the sun
Yeah,
here.
we
Yeah.
have some video we can share with you. And then the Piccolo is designed to remove tattoo and perform the
tattoo.
dermal remodeling and treat a variety of the skin conditions, including hyperpigmentations with minimizing discomfort, side effects, and downtime.
Okay.
Yeah, and second, it has a remarkable efficiency. Piccolo ultra short picosecond laser burst efficiently shorten the pigments into very fine particles that is very easy and naturally removed by the body. Delivery highly efficiency result while minimizing discomfort and downtime.
Wow.
Thirdly, it enabled fast and efficient treatment for a wide range of indications such as hyperpigmentations, tattoo removal, scar corrections, and skin tightening, and mingle, and it minimize downtime and also some side effects. So it's a very comfortable treatment.
Yes,
Wow,
so many benefits. Yeah.
Wow, it sounds very, very effective from the moment that.
Yeah, I just like watching Star Wars.
And then because we have a different handpieces, so we can treat a variety of the indications.
Okay, can you tell us about the handpiece then? You said that. Yeah.
We have the light, we have the collimator type, and this one is for skin toning, and then we also have the zoom handpieces, which is very focused on the tattoo removal.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it harder to remove the tattoo?
No, Pico laser, as we said it before, it is a very fast speed. That's why, compared with the traditional laser, it is less pain, and the effect is, more obvious, and then less pain.
Okay.
The most important is less pain, and then the customer can do the filler treatment.
Oh yeah, because tattoo sounds painful already, and removing
Do you
it
have
sounds.
tattoo?
No, I don't. I'm good.
Really?
I'm good. Do you?
And then you can see it from the video, and then it's not just for the pigments, it also can be modeling of your skin.
Yes.
That's why it's very, very good for the scar.
Good for
tissues.
collagen growth.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then to bring your skin, with the new healthy
Yes. It's,
look.
I think women will be drooling right now that we want to have, more collagen growth.
So
more
that's why
looking.
Anna's skin is so perfect.
Yeah,
Oh,
right.
thank you.
She used from
Many years.
when she born.
Yeah. Oh wow. So thank you, tech team.
So do you have a laser machine at your home?
I hope.
She may have many.
We must
She
have
have
a
many.
professional to help me.
Okay. So we do need.
It's a dream for every lady.
But then I guess Anna would need like a certified, the therapist,
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
And then she can do it at home.
I think she own one.
Not only one. I think more than one.
A team.
A team, your team.
Okay.
So yeah, so actually, Andrew, how many other what is the other actually Pico laser machine that's used in Sau San Tong?
Yes, we have another Pico laser machine, which made in US. It's called the Enlighten Pico Genesis. It also got the FDA approved. And it features double pulse design with Pico Nickel technique and applies a double wavelength, which is 1064 nanometer.
Yeah.
Nanometer? Okay, and 532 nanometers,
Yes.
which effectively address unwanted pigment and refine your skin texture. Its gold head focus length average can make the energy get deep into the dermis, which can stimulate collagen and elastin synthesis, repairing and regenerating the patient's skin tissues. Maybe we can see another video for the Pico machine, for the Enlighten one. Actually, when I see this kind of video, just like making some Star Wars-like movie.
No, it
With
looks
laser.
like, it looks like, what do you call it? It's like those very high techno, like robots.
Yeah.
Like the future generation will have this. So the other one is called Enlighten Pico Genesis.
Yeah, you can see most of the laser. They just mentioned it for whitening. And today, I think nowadays the technology is the most updated one. They almost the highest technology within the laser technology. So the speed is very fast now.
And I think it's really good that only the dark pigmented areas absorb the light.
Yeah.
So it does not really damage the other parts which are good.
Yeah.
So
Very focused, yeah.
yeah. And I think we also have another video coming.
Did you know that scarring occurs in 95% of all patients who suffer from acne?
Now this looks like a
Yeah, this is another
this
lens, yeah.
award.
Treatment by
Yeah.
Kutera offers an advanced approach to treating unwanted scars and textural concerns on the face and body. By combining Enlighten's fractional lens attachment and its high-powered picosecond technology, Pico Genesis FX stimulates new collagen and elastin production by creating microneedles.
I see the two have some differences. This one has like a three-legged
FX treatments are quick,
head
convenient,
compared
and
to the
effective
previous
for
one.
skin types.
Just the design of the handpiece, but for the features or the function, almost similar.
Okay. All right. Okay. I see that these two are very powerful.
Yes, I think
machine.
both of them are very good. For
Very
the
good,
Pico Low
right,
and
yeah.
for
Enlighten
the
too.
Pico
Yeah,
Enlighten,
Enlighten
yes.
too, okay.
Although they are just kind of different country, yeah. Only the brand is different, yeah.
Different. Okay. Yeah. And I know that a lot of cases, real patients have shown that their skin are actually improved from having these treatments. So let's have a
Yeah,
look
we can
at
take a look
some-
at the
yeah,
before
let's,
after pictures,
Before
yes.
the treatment, yeah.
see some pictures.
And you can see on the left hand side, is this?
Yes, yeah,
Or
left-hand side.
or opposite? when we see-
On the left.
on the left, okay.
yes.
Also on the left is the before one.
And I think like the white line, it's kind of pointing towards, like it's labeling where the dark pigments are. You can actually see that it has a big improvement, from the left to the right.
I think for this case, Anna, is this only after one treatment?
Yeah, this is only after one
Oh,
treatment.
one? Really?
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this
Cool.
is that kind of the factor is very effective
I'm
to be treated.
impressed. Very
And
impressed.
let's see another picture, yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
And then
also
you
on
can
the face.
see the whole texture. It's become more brightening,
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's
this
not
one is
just-
very
yeah.
obvious.
and the texture become more smoothness.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
also for the
On
man one,
men's,
I'll
on
see
men's.
some fine lines
Yeah.
Those wrinkles
Disappear.
are gradually fading away.
yeah.
Wow.
and some pigment right below the eyebrow.
Oh, this one's also very obvious.
And then I think this one
And
is
this
only
scar.
also one-time treatment. That's it.
Yeah.
and it's very good for, for the scar tissues. And normally, in order to do this kind of thing, we always use aggressive laser, and then the customer will be face a lot of long downtime. But if the Pico, the customer will have less downtime and less comfort.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's downtown is
This one you belong to quite mature skin, yeah.
you're like
No, not me.
I thought you were gonna say that may look like me. Oh wow, this is obvious. The whole pigment is gone. And maybe you can also see some tattoos maybe. Oh
Yes,
wow, this one.
tattoo
this
removal,
one.
yeah.
This one is obvious. You know what? Let's do what we usually and one of our daily tasks to see the real demonstration.
Yes.
So shall we actually take a look at the Pico laser machine demonstration? Shall we? Let's go. So now we've moved on to the demonstration room right here, and we have our Pico laser machine set up, and also we have our therapist ready to start this treatment. But I know that before we actually start this treatment, we need to put some
goggles to
safety
protect
goggles
your
on.
eyes.
Yes, let's put them on first. And yes, therapist, may you start. So Anna, what steps are needed in this Pico laser treatment?
Okay, yes, there's a few steps we need to be followed. Firstly, is the consultation. It's very, very important because you need to consult your medical professional and then to understand what do you want and what kind of the treatment outcome you want to have.
Okay,
Yeah.
so like which areas you want to do, okay,
and what kind of the area that you would like to remove. That is so it's very important. And secondly, we need to have a cleansing all of your makeup. And to make sure your skin is cleaned and then to be dried before to do the piccolo dual toning treatment.
Oh, so no makeup is allowed before doing it if you actually want to do
Right.
your face.
And then the third one, we need to make sure that the customer sometimes maybe feel some uncomfortable and then some lasping. We need to put some FSD cream. That maybe the the professional people will put on your skin maybe 30 to 60 minutes. All depends on what kind of the treatment that you need, and maybe some tattoo removal or some sensitive area that maybe to give the patient to have
a more safe
and more
comfort.
comfortable feeling.
So we need a bit of the numbing cream. Yes.
And then the fourth one is to have the individualized Pico laser therapy. Because all of your treatment is depends on what you want.
Okay,
so that's why we have the different types of the hand pieces. It depends on your advisor and operator to recommend it, and then you will be to see how is the procedure that you need. And then the fifth one is the most important. It's about the aftercare. Sometimes after the treatment, you need to put some cooling pack because it can release some uncomfortable or some rednesses in case if we do some some acne scar. Maybe we have some rednesses on the treated area. But after that, we put some cool pack. It can let you feel very comfortable and also to get rid of the some redness more fast.
Oh, more faster.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And then you can see the patient is still very comfortable, and then she will not feel any pain, especially when she did this kind of the 20x20 spot side our specially designed for the Pico, because this is for our skin brightening, and that is very good for treat all kind of the skin type.
All kind of skin type.
Yeah.
Which is actually very good because sometimes people have different types of skin. So someone say, oh, I'm sensitive, then they're scared, oh, I may not be suitable for this. But wow, it's actually very attractive.
Yeah, and then these handpieces is specially designed and also patented by our Piccolo laser. And then this is emit the very, you can see the red spot, right?
Yes.
It can develop the more larger spot with a enough energy. So that's why it can deliver the picosecond laser, and then to treat your skin and then remodeling your skin.
I feel like I can actually see some difference already.
So fast, yeah. You can tell it, right?
Despite I'm having this goggle on, but yes, indeed, it literally looks like as if a rubber and a pencil, like
Because
erasing
the
off marks.
Pico laser also
Yes.
can create some plasma effects. And the plasma effects can remove the dead cells.
Oh, okay.
And then so after the treatment, you can also touch your skin and then you can feel very
Smoother,
smoothness.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh.
It's not
Oh.
just only to remove your unwanted pigment. It also can make your skin become, more smooth, more
Smoother
young, and more brightening
yeah,
effects.
Wow. This is women's love, I think.
Yes. Yeah. And it is a very fast treatment.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So thank you, our therapist. So, wow. So this is the Pico laser treatment. Very, very fast and effective. Okay, I guess right now we can take back
off
down.
our
Yes,
goggles.
take down our goggles. So yeah, let's go back to our chat room then. Yes. So after we've seen the demonstrations, it looks like a very nice treatment there in the room. Because the patient does not, she doesn't feel any sting or does not have any like burn feeling. So Pico laser doesn't only break off the spots, it also stimulate collagen growth. So after a few of the treatment, your pores, your spots will, gradually be faded away.
Yeah.
Yes, I think we need to say hi to our friends first. And some
Now?
we always forget to say hi to our friends. They say, how come you have no response to me? Okay, hi.
Hello. Okay, maybe it's some time.
And
We can take a look at some questions.
Some questions
from-
because
from other-
they
from
they
others.
have always ask a lot of
Yes.
questions. How much?
Yes, this is like the first question that pops
Typical
up.
question. How much?
How
Okay.
much? But we're gonna pick on some more.
Yeah.
A lot of people concerned.
Okay,
about-
maybe this one.
Yeah, maybe this one. Okay. So we have a question coming from an audience saying, "How can I know if I'm suitable for Pico laser treatment?"
Okay, maybe Anna answer this one first, and then the next one you answer. Okay.
Sure, sure. And you don't dare to answer.
I'm very gentleman. Okay.
Ladies first, right?
I'm lady. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, a complimentary consultation is required before treatment to ensure that you are the right candidate. Patient representing or presenting with raised pigmentation or a history of skin cancer are not suitable for pigmentation removal.
Oh, so only those.
Yeah, very extreme case.
Extreme,
with
okay,
cancer
I
history. Yeah.
see. Oh, okay, but let's pick on another
Maybe
question.
we pick this
This
question.
one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So what is Pico laser's advantages? I'll ask Anna now. No,
Okay.
it's my turn,
Your-
right?
your turn, please.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Pico laser is a non-invasive technology, and it has extremely effective at the skin lifting, tightening, and smoothing of your fine wrinkles. And it's a clinical approval to remove the melasma, freckles, and some little spots. And then it's a faster and need fewer treatments. And the most important thing is less discomfort and also with less downtime.
Yes.
That sounds good. But
No
how-
one know. No one know.
No. But how many treatments do I need then?
I think the treatment plan will depend on many factors, such as the location, depth, size, and type of pigmentation. Some cases will require several treatments for optimal result, where some can be resolved in just a single treatment.
Okay.
On average, patient will need 4 to 6 sessions for complete removal. Subsequent treatment can be scheduled for 4 weeks after your treatment. Yeah.
Oh, I see. So I guess depending how dark your pigments are or the area that you want to do it
Yeah.
then. Oh, I see. Okay, let me pick another question for Anna, not you.
Where's that?
Is there any post-treatment care or any precautions needed?
Yes, we have quite a lot of steps we need to follow. Firstly, we need to apply moisturizing daily to protect your skin. Second, we need to avoid all activities that may cause injury or irritations to your treated area, such as sauna and hot tubs. Third,
No massage.
yeah, no sauna.
Oh my
Sure,
God.
no sauna. Thirdly, we must generally cleanse the treated area and to avoid shaving for a period of the time as recommended by your medical professionals.
So Andrew can't shave.
More men though.
Yeah.
More manly.
And then fourth, allowed any scrubbing that forms over the treated area to scrub off on its own. And then fifth one, we will avoid the sun exposures, and we need to apply a lot of sunblock.
Sunblock.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yes.
Yeah, to avoid the sun damage the treated area. And then sixth, we need to apply any prescribed antibiotic cream with as your a professional medical advisor
Yes.
advice to you, and maybe you need to apply 1 to 3 days as directed by your medical professionals. Okay.
Yeah.
And
You go
then
very active once
yeah.
you finish the
Sometimes
laser
maybe
treatment.
Sometimes maybe we don't need. It all depends on your case. And then the seventh, we must use the clean eye pack. Maybe use it to relieve the heat in the treated area. And the eighth is to contact your medical professional if you have any experience like swelling or feel uncomfortable.
Yeah,
You
of
must
course.
call them and then
Yeah.
follow up.
It's a very abnormal situation.
Yeah, that's really. And actually, are there any downtime for Pico laser treatment? And when can I actually know the result?
Okay. Maybe I answer this question.
We're in a classroom now.
As Anna mentioned before, actually it's no downtime. Maybe after the treatment, the patient typically experience temporary discoloration or reddening of the skin around the treatment site.
Temporarily.
Yeah. Makeup can be applied immediately after treatment.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because the
surprised.
laser technology is quite gentle on the skin, unlike before. Many of our patients receive treatment just prior to work or during their lunch hour. Most patients will see the result maybe after just one treatment. This result will come out in about 4 weeks, but it can take up 8 weeks for the full result.
For the full result. Oh, wow. It sounds like as if I can go to have my treatment lunchtime and put my makeup on
Yeah.
and go back to work.
Tea time also.
Yeah. Yeah. That sounds attractive.
Toilet time also. Some staff go to toilet longer than lunch hour.
Oh, wow. Okay. So if you want to have a flawless and spotless skin, you can maybe consider Pico laser. Last but not least, of course, you should find a good reputation company for taking this certain medical advices or doctor's consultation before actually taking this Pico laser treatment. So thank you for watching our live today. Thank you, Anna, for joining us today. And please make sure you give this a video thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and share this video out if you find it very useful. Maybe we will have a certain special free gift for you, right, Andrew?
Okay, thank you very much for Anna Cummings. And if you find it interesting, you can watch our previous live. Maybe
Yes.
the last one is the Vermarch and Aquera,
Yes.
which help you to
young.
stay young.
Yes.
Yeah, anti-aging.
Yes.
And another one is called Fit and
and
Firm.
Firm,
In
yes.
30 minutes. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a very short period.
So, yeah.
So thank you very much for both of
For-
you and
thank you.
for our audience as well.
Yeah,
Maybe
so-
see you.
Yep. Tune in next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.